Alright guys, we got a Rav4 Toyota. This is a third gen. This is a '07. I believe from '06 up to 2012 is the same. Concern on this, we got some noise on the front end on this. He thinks that it's a steering rack. So we got it all jacked up. I don't see nothing on this side. I could hear the steering wheel spinning when I move it left and right. Our tie rod is nothing, it's tight on this side. But if you go in this side right here, take a look. I got the wheel out already. It's gonna do a little bit of inspection before I make a video. And this one is, you can see that sound. Hopefully you can hear that sound. All right, there you go. You hear that really moving sound right there. All right, let's quickly take out the wheels. Alright, hopefully you can see it from here. Alright, you can see that it's moving right there. That's a steering rack right there, rack and pinion. So this is electric rack and pinion. You can see that rack is moving. It'll be worse when it's all the way out, pushing this way. So we're gonna replace the rack, inner tie rod, and the outer as well. So we're gonna advise the owner, tell him that we need all those parts, and as well change the intermediate shaft. It's out anyways, because not replacing and it will cause more problem in the long run. So let the guy know that needs a steering rack. Alright guys, 4 hours later we got the confirmation from the customer. He wants to go ahead and replace the rack. We got the new one right there. They are the reman. We end up using the old outer tie rod. Came with a brand new inner tie rod, so this is good. Same thing on this side right here. This one is good. Bolt, torque to spec right there. Reman rack. End up using the old outer tie rod because there's nothing wrong with the outer tie rod, so everything is all bolt up. We had to lower this back end frame right here. This will be like 3-4 bolts right here that need to take out. Same thing on the other side. The rear engine mounts back there needs to come off so that we could swing and pull this rock going towards the driver's side. The intermediate shaft as well, make sure take those off. So other than that, it's all ready to go. We just need to lock this in place. Same thing on the other side. Put a cotter pin right there and take it to the other shop for a wheel alignment. Put all the wheels back on, go for a test drive, make sure the steering wheel is straight, and after that customer will be happy. That's it. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. See you guys again on the next one.